Bé, els motors independentistes preparen la sisena festa de l'11 de setembre. Us esperen a Vic a les 9 del matí per arribar aquest any a la Meridiana. Jo sé de bona tinta que cada any s'ho passen molt bé, per tant, us recomano que no us ho perdeu.
So I was late for class, I locked my back to yours. It wasn't hard to find your painted flowers on it. Guess that I was afraid that if you rolled away, you might not roll back my direction real soon. Well, I was crazy about you then and now, but the craziest thing of all, over 10 years have gone.